The real selling is about value creation. If price or lower price is the main factor for buyer to choose your product or service vis-a-vis competition, then it is not selling. It is just a transaction, and that really does not create economic growth. It becomes a debt driven model of vicious circle. However, if we have to create economic prosperity within all sections of the society, then we must focus on value creation. Value creation approach towards sales as well as doing business creates inclusive growth. When the companies are earning reasonable profit in the business and recognized as value creators or meeting some requirements in the market, solving those problems, or are innovative, then they are perceived in a different way, and buyers are ready to move away from price. And that is most important thing. When companies earn sufficient money, then the employees become rich, and when employees or larger sections of the societies become rich, then the money is spent on buying or consuming a lot of things, and that results into economic growth or economic prosperity. Therefore, especially Indian companies must think about shifting their approach from transaction oriented sales to value creation. And value creation approach requires totally different skills and way of doing business. It is not as same as doing transaction oriented business. However, today there is very little choice for the organizations if they want to survive in this technological as well as artificial intelligence revolution. When a technology is going to dominate your manufacturing, also all other functions of business, then you must think about value. That means being conscious about all your buying decisions. Are they really adding value or meeting requirements for achieving that productivity or success? Therefore, when the buyer shifts the approach towards conscious buying, then value creation becomes important, and that helps both buyers as well as sellers to do a win-win business. That means offering that required solution to the buyer at the same time getting that reasonable profit that makes business sustainable in long run. Therefore, the value creation is the approach of doing business for creating future, and for that the companies must focus on their products and what they do for their customers.